Ideme si zahrať takú zvanú hru, ktorá sa volá Henry Stickmin Collection. No. Čiže ja som si vypala achievementy, lebo furt nám tu skáču v tejto hre, že vraj. A nechcem, aby mi to tu skákalo, takže BIOS. Čo je toto? A tu sú achievementy, dobre. Čo je BIOS? It's short on cache. It's time to get some. Čiže, my sme Henry Stickmin, tento tu. No. A my máme malé peňažky more, takže ideme nejaké zarobiť. Jak vidíte, tak strašne o tom premýšľa. Nevie, čo má robiť, tak proste ideme. A ideme Breaking to Bank. Let's go, play. No. Máme tu šovel, explosives, teleporter, laser, breaking ball, deskus. Šovel. Jupi, ty fana šovel. Gas main. Kámo. Nikdy nekopte priamo dole. No, tak to je, no. Proste my sme kopali dole a tak trochu tam bola plynová nádrž, či čo to a my sme proste zobrali zapalovač. A však čo. Retry. Explosives. Poďme. F. Je tu tak, nejak tak. V čete napísal, že Henry Stickmin was blown up by TNT. Poďme. Teleputer, tak teleputer. No, kamo, to je dobrý teleputer. No, tak nejak. Ideme to tu, vykosíme celú banku. A security nič. Aha. No, dobre. Dneska není žiadna konstrukcia, čo? Tak laser. To vyjde. No. Kamo, aj tak by sme to prežili, však padne nás 500 tunový kameň, však čo prežijeme, nič sa nám nestalo. Že už tu je len one. Diskujse. Pome. Bum. Diskujse. Jak sme... Čo? Kamo, poďme.
Supposed to be like more of a vault, you know? Oh, that makes sense.
Kamo. Kamo, A už sme to, kamo, už sme to mali. Kamo, už sme to mali. Tak ideme next. To je všetko? To je celá hra. Ja nie, počkaj. A to bolo takto krátke? To je všetko, hej? To je takto krátke, hej? No, tak dobre, no. Tak bohužiaľ. Tak toto stálo 13 euro.
Free to go.
Yep.
No
Kamo,
kidding. But you've got
zomri.
package.
Balík.
Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful, haven't we, Dave? What? Yeah. Of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job, and I don't want to lose my job.
No. Sme tu, hej? File, energii, drink. Teleputer. Rocket Looker. Tilpon, drill. Tilpon. September 9. 12:53.
Witness, please continue your testimony. Okay. I was
Okay.
riding alongside my partner in the armored van, but suddenly she spotted a bag on the side of the road. We got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the others. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there. Objection! So, the defendant crawled into that bag in order to break into the bank. Is that correct? Is it not obvious? Is it really that obvious? I have proof that the defendant didn't hide himself in that bag. Well then, what are you waiting for? Present this evidence already.
No. This guy is back. Kamo. Čo je toto? Doktorové analistiky, to nám je na hovno. Security footage. To uvidia. To nám na nič. To je nám na nič. Tak toto už vôbec. Kamo. Kamo, ale jak sme sa mohli zaviazať zvonku? To nedáva zmysel. Neviem, skúsim dodať.
Is that the bag the defendant hid in? Yes, but there's one thing that's been bothering me. If the defendant really was hiding in this bag, then how did he tie the knot from the outside
Presne!
of the bag?
Jak to mohol tak zaviazať zvonku, no?
Inside the bag, it'd be impossible for him to tie that knot on the outside. But then, how did he do it? It's simple. He didn't.
Mhm.
Saying? I'm saying my client wasn't hiding in that bag at all. He was stuffed in there by this very witness. As you can see by this doctor's analysis, the defendant had taken quite the beating. While he was in the bag, he was unconscious. This is absurd. The witness was attempting to dispose of the body. He left the defendant in the bag, knowing he'd drive by it on the way back to the bank. When the witness and his partner passed the bag, he convinced his partner to throw the bag in with the others. But why would he do that?
No.
To dispose of the body, of course. There are millions
Vamos.
of bags of money in that bank, and the witness knew it would take a long time before the victim was found. But unfortunately for the witness, his victim woke up and tried to escape from his tomb. He was arrested on the spot, and the witness thought everything was over. But it's come back to haunt him.
Kamo, to je dobré.
You guys can't be happening to me.
Nie, nemôže, kamo, nemôže.
Well, that certainly
No.
was an interesting trial. However, I am now ready to deliver my verdict. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin,
Nie sme guilty, kamo. Let's go. Sme free. Love your dub. Ja som to nečakal, že to vyjde. Dobre. Tu by som to ukončil. Diamond. No tu by som to ukončil. Tu máme všetky faily. No. No dobré, no. Dokončíme toto, lebo tam má viac možností. A potom pôjdeme na toto. No. Dobre. Tak, bye bye. Čaute.